What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. Thank y'all for joining me. We are going to take a different angle with this video. Nothing wrong with that. We're changing it up a little bit. So this, I'm making myself some dinner. And this sandwich that I'm about to show y'all just came off the top of my dome. So I'm going to show you guys this sandwich I'm going to make with this tofurkey deli slices. And this is the oven roasted kind, flavor. Or we like to say flavor, depending on where you're from. Anyway, I want to thank you all for joining me. So we are about to get with these ingredients. All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming back. Now what we're going to do, I'm just going to show you or tell you these ingredients as I put them on this sandwich. Hopefully everyone can see my hands. So here we go. First thing we're going to do, we got 2 pieces of Texas toast, baby, on the plate. Okay, 2 slices of Texas toast. And again, you can use any type of bread you want, but this is what I'm rolling with. Okay, we got 2 slices already toasted. And then we're going to roll with some vegan mayo. Okay, use the vegan mayo of your choice. So that's what we're going to do right now. And I got all my ingredients over on the side here. So I'm going to put some of this mayo on this bread, like this. Hope everyone had a great day. Right? So let's just get this on there. You can put as much on as you like, little as you like. Depends on what you want. I'm going to put another dollop. I think that's how you say that, right? On here. And that's perfect. Okay? Doesn't have to be I'm hungry, so this sandwich might look a little sloppy, but that's okay. Sloppier the better. Because I've had experiences where food looks beautiful and it tastes like trash. I'm telling you the truth. All right, so we got that on there, right? So we're just going to dump this in a sink here. Get the knife out of the way. And then, pardon my arm if it's in the way of the camera. Okay, so now we're going to go with the oven roasted deli slices by Tofurkey. And again, some people probably put in the comments, what are you eating that stuff for? Because I want to. That's why. If you don't want to eat it, don't eat it. It's that simple. My channel is based on so many different things. I can't please everybody, but I can please myself. Right? So anyway, we're going to take these slices and you put on as much as you want. And you fold them and you put them on. Why? Because when you fold it, it's actually like you're getting more of these slices on here. Right? So keep putting these slices on. Got the number one song. So we're actually going to take and fire. I'm going to put 6 of these slices on. That'll be good enough. We're going to make. This is going to be my first deli slice sandwich here. Okay, so we got these on. It's looking pretty good, right? So we got the mayo. And we have the, this is like the Price is Right. We got the mayo on one side and we got the deli slices on the other, right? Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm mixing my own self up here. We got the deli slices on and there's no right and wrong way. So then we're going to lay some of these tomatoes on this sandwich, right? Okay, lay a few of those down. Then we're going to lay a little bit of lettuce on here, like that. And this is going to be a very simple recipe. Now, again, you can do what you want. Some people say the lettuce should go on the top. No, in your world it does, but in mine it doesn't, because I got an extra surprise. We are going to send this sandwich into the stratosphere. Okay, so now let me recap what we have. I think I kicked my tripod. Sorry about that. So we got 2 pieces of Texas toast with some vegan mayo on one side. We got some Tofurkey deli slices, oven roasted flavor, of course. We got some tomatoes, and we got some lettuce. All right. And to finish this thing off, we are going to go with, look at this, y'all. Not 1, but 2 onion ring slices on this thing. Look at that. Okay. And to dress it up a bit, we're going to put some of this sweet brown mustard on top. And we're just going to drizzle it. That's the main thing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're just drizzling this mustard on here. Make it sloppy. Make it good. Make it delicious. Okay? Look at that. Boom, baby. Boom, shalaka laka, boom. I'm telling y'all, Sensei don't play up in my kitchen. Right? Then you take this, slide it to the middle. You're going to take this piece of Texas toast and you are going to slap it right on top like so. Give it a little smash. Look at that. Look at that. We're going to spin it around a little bit so y'all can see that in real time. This is Sensei's dinner. I want to thank y'all for rocking out with me, joining with me. It doesn't matter if you're vegan, doesn't matter if you're non-vegan. Sub to the channel, man. Sub to the channel. I got everything on here. Cars, motorcycles, workouts, what I'm eating, what I'm doing, music, you name it, Sensei does it, man. We are all people. We all have stuff in common. So sub to the channel. Look at this. I'm still spinning this thing, man. This is like the Price is Right, baby. It's like the Sensei's right. Anyway, thank y'all for joining me. Hit that effing sub button. Hello. Good night. Look at that, y'all. This is a work of effing art, man. I'm telling y'all. Woo! Look at this. Look at this.